In this video, I will tell you about Rennora Hair Growth Serum, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So it has become popular choice for individuals looking for compact hair loss and stimulate hair growth, but does it generally deliver the result or just another product that failed to live up to the claim? Starting with the positive reviews, many users have reported positive experience with Rennora. The serum is formulated with natural ingredients designed to nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Users often praise a lightweight texture which absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Many have noticed improvement in hair thickness and overall health after consistent use, with some claiming visible results within a few weeks. However, there is significant concern to consider while numerous users have experienced positive outcomes, while others report minimal to no effects. This inconsistency raises questions about the product's overall effectiveness, whether it will work for everyone. Hair growth product can vary greatly in their result based on individual factors such as genetics and the underlying cause of hair loss. Another point of contention is that the price. Some of potential buyers feel that Rennora cost is relatively high compared to the other hair growth product on the market, making them hesitate to invest without guaranteed result. Additionally, the marketing claim can sometimes feel exaggerated, leading to skepticism about the actual efficacy of the serum. Customer survey experience also have received mixed reviews. Some user report delay in receiving response to inquiries or issues with shipping. In conclusion, Rennora Hair Growth Serum shows promise and has garnered positive reviews and feedback from many users, but the mixed reviews and varying results suggest that it may not work for everyone. If you are considering this product, it's essential to do through thorough result and manage research about the product and manage your expectation while exploring other options for hair growth as well. And that's it.